I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin. We're going to start by leaving room for our stem at the top of our paper. I have my paper horizontal, side to side. At the top, I'm going to do about 3 finger spaces down and make a dot about in the middle of my paper. If you have smaller hands, you might want to use 4 fingers and then make your dot. So there's my first dot. It's close to the middle of my paper. And the bottom one, I'm just going to go down and close to the bottom of my page and make a little dot right about there. I might turn mine into X's just so you can see them a little bit better, but you can use dots. Either way is fine. And we're going to start by making the very first section of our pumpkin. So we're going to start from our top dot or X and make kind of a long oval shape all the way down, and then you can start again or go all the way back around, but you're looking for a long kind of oval or kind of football-y shape that goes from top to bottom. Then you're going to start again at the top, right there in the middle of your X or your dot, and make another line on one side that starts at the top in the middle, and it goes down and connects back down in the middle of the bottom dot or X. Do the same thing for the opposite side. Start at the top middle part of your dot or your X. Make a line that curves and meets down at the bottom. So if you left it like this, you would have a very skinny pumpkin, but we're looking for a little bit fatter of a pumpkin. So I'm going to start again right at the middle again of that dot or that X and make another line that curves out and back in, meets at the same spot at the bottom. And now I'm going to move to the opposite side. Whatever you do for one side, do for the other side. So start at the middle in the top, curve it around, and meet it at the bottom. And you can decide if this is big enough or if you want to go a little bit bigger. You can add one more section. Again, start at the exact same spot at the top, curve that line around, and make it meet at the bottom. And you can see how the lines kind of overlap a little bit. That's okay. I'm going to start again at the other side, make it even, one more section around, and meet at the bottom. And so now you have a pumpkin, and it looks more three-dimensional because you started at the middle and worked your way out. So now you've left room for your stem. You can make sort of, it's kind of a rectangle with a little bit of a curve to it, sort of a rectangle stem. And if you want to, you can draw little triangle shapes below it. And it's up to you. If it's easier for you to see, you can erase some of those lines at the top. And now you have your stem for your pumpkin.